Good morning, students. Today, let's learn another drug, Merserium. So, Merserium, its common name is Daphne Merserium. It belongs to the family Thymilaceae. Though it is introduced into our Materia Medica by Dr. Staff, the prover is Master Hahnemann itself. And it is also known as vegetable mercury. It is said by Dr. Hughes. And the sphere of action of Merserium is upon skin, bones, teeth, nerve, and mind. And thermally, Merserium is very chilly. And coming to the temperament, phlegmatic, and its miasm is Sora and syphilitic, and more syphilitic miasm is very much prominent. Then coming to the etiology, it is the remedy for bad effects of mercury, alcohol, and for bad effects of vaccination. Again, complaints from vexation. Then coming to adaptability, adapted for light-haired, irresolute persons of phlegmatic temperament. Mind, mentally patient is very hypochondriacal, despondent, indifferent, even indifferent to everything and for everyone like sepia. Again, it is angry at trifles and perfectly harmless things, but is soon sorry for it. Then coming to the GERD symptoms, first, it is a remedy for bad effects of vaccination. Here, the bad effects of vaccination seems as eczema or itching eruptions. You have learned some other remedies also for bad effects of vaccinations like antientat, silesia, thuja, etc. Antientat is indicated when thuja fails and silesia is not indicated, whereas silesia and thuja is indicated for abscess and conversions as bad effects of vaccination. Then next gating symptom is Merserium is very much chilly and very sensitive to cold air. Pains with chilliness. Again, you are studying another remedy with pain with having chilliness, pains with chilliness in case of sepia. No, pulsatilla. In case of sepia, there is pains with shuddering. Again, another remedy, pain with numbness in case of aconite, platina, etc. Here, in case of Merserium, there is pain with chilliness. Next, gating syndrome on head. That is, head is covered with thick leather-like crust, like a thick scab, and under the thick crust, pus collects. And pus after a time becomes ichorous, offensive, and breeds vermin. So, there is pus collection in the scalp. Again, the character of pain is from above downwards, right to left, within outwards. കുരിശ് വരയ്ക്കുന്ന പോലെ പള്ളിയിൽ പോകുന്നവർ അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ തിരിച്ചിട്ടാണ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റൈറ്റ് ടു ലെഫ്റ്റ് ആണ് മറ്റേതിൽ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ടു റൈറ്റ് സോ ഇൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് ദ പെയിൻ ഓഫ് Merserium is above downwards, right to left and within outwards. Next important feature is that all the complaints are aggravated at night. It is an important syphilitic character. Here in Merserium also all the pains are aggravated night. Similarly, you have learned other remedies like syphilitic remedies having aggravation night in case of syphilinum, mercurius, phytolacca, etc. While the opposite symptom, that is the complaints are aggravated from sunrise to sunset, is seen in case of natramol. Here the complaints are aggravated at night. Next, regarding toothache, tooth decay and the tooth pain is ameliorated by opening mouth and drawing in air. You have also studied so many remedies having tooth decay at root like Merserium, that is in ammonium carb, thuja, etc. While the opposite symptom, that is the crown decay and root remain intact in case of mercurius. While in case of Staphylococcus aureus, the edges will decay. Okay, in Merserium, the roots decay and the pains are ameliorated by opening mouth and drawing in air. You have learned that in case of Staphylococcus aureus, The toothache is aggravated by opening mouth and drawing in air. But here in Merserium, toothache is ameliorated by opening mouth and drawing in air. Do you know how what is the ameliorating factor of mercurius for toothache? That is rubbing the cheek gives amelioration for toothache in case of mercurius. Here, in case of Merserium, the toothache is ameliorated by opening mouth and drawing in air. Okay, next symptom is bones, upon bones. That is, it is a remedy for periostitis and swelling of bones, especially long bones like tibia. And the pains are aggravated at night. Long bones, complaints for long bones. Next, it is a remedy for herpes zoster with burning neuralgic pains. Another name for herpes zoster is shingles. You have also studied ranunculus bulbosus for shingles or herpes zoster. In case of ranunculus bulbosus, shingles follows or preceded by intercostal neuralgia. While in case of Merserium, the herpes is associated with burning neuralgic pains. This burning neuralgic pain is always a characteristic feature of ASAB also. Here also there is burning neuralgic pains. Next, regarding testicular affections, testicles enlarged. Again, you have learned so many remedies having the testicular inflammation or orchitis, remedy for orchitis like pulsatilla, rhododendron, silicea, clematis, etc. In case of clematis, there is the orchitis with bruised feeling and right-sided affection like epis. In case of rhododendron, the orchitis with the crushed feeling is noted. Here, there is enlargement of testicles. Then coming to the head symptom, it is a remedy for headache and scalp affection. For headache, character of pain, violent is very much important, violence. Then headache after slightest vexation, aggravation, slightest touch, right-sided headache is prominent. Worse from talking, very much sensitive to cold air, and better from hot stove. Again, similar symptoms you have learned in Silesia, Hepasulf, etc. Silesia, right-sided remedy. Similarly, it is better by hot application, aggravated by cold air, etc. Very much sensitive, right-sided nature, etc. But the headache come from base of the brain and settles over the right eye. Here, right-sided headache is there. The violent character of the pain you have to note. Then coming to the scalp, the head is covered with a thick lather-like crust, and under which thick white pus collects here and there, and pus after a time becomes offensive and breed vermin, and the hair is glued and matted together. So here there is typical eczematous condition of the scalp you can note in Merserium. That is, the head is turned to a thick scab formation is there, and under the scab the thick yellowish offensive ichorous pus collects, and this pus is loaded with so many vermin, and the hair is become matted together. Similar symptoms you have learned in case of Vinca minor. There in Vinca minor also the hair is matted appearance. There is corrosive itching of the scalp, and also plica polonica, that is hair kudukku pidikka, jada pole pidikka, angane plica polonica, that condition is also seen in case of Vinca minor. So headache and the scab formation with pus formation and vermin formation is noted in case of head symptoms of Merserium. Then coming to the tooth affection, it is a remedy for toothache. Toothache in case carries teeth feels elongated sensation of tooth is there with dull pain both on biting and when touched with tongue. Tooth pain is there, and the toothache is aggravated at night and ameliorated by opening mouth and drawing in air, the opposite modality of Staphylococcus aureus. And in case of Bacterium, the tooth decays, similar to tooth decay at root, is seen in ammonium carbon thuya. The reverse, that is the crown decay, is seen in Mesotherium. Then coming to the nose, there is sneezing, coryza, and the excursion of the inside of the nose is noted, and also remedy for post-nasal adenoids. And in case of ear, there is feeling of the ear is open as the tympanum exposed to cold air. That much sensitiveness is present. And air blow into the ear sensation is there, and also there is desire to bore the ear with fingers. Another remedy, you have studied that boring finger into the nostrils in case of RM triphylla. Here there is tendency to bore into the ear. Then coming to the eye symptoms, very important, ciliary neuralgia. It is a remedy for neuralgic pain. Here in eye, ciliary neuralgia, especially after operations, with numbness. And the nature of pain and the radiation, you know, that is pain radiates and shoot downwards, right to left, within outwards, with cold feeling and with stiffness of the bone. Also there is pressing and tearing pain in and about the eyes. Important is about the eye symptom, that is the ciliary neuralgia. Then face, there is eruptions around mouth, and the child scratches face continuously, which is covered with blood, eruptions moist. Itching worse at night, and inflammatory redness of face is also there. ഫേസിൽ ആ ഇച്ചിങ് നിങ്ങൾ ഓർക്കണം, പിന്നെ റെഡ് അപ്പിയറൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും, മെനി വെസിക്കിൾസ് വരും, ഇത്രയും ഓർക്കുക. ദെൻ GAT, അബ്ഡോമൻ, സ്വെല്ലിംഗ് ഓഫ് ഗ്ലാൻസ് വിത്ത് ലാർജ് അബ്ഡോമൻ ഇൻ ചിൽഡ്രൻ. മീസെൻട്രിക് ഗ്ലാൻസ് ഇവിടെ ലാർജ്ഡ് ആയിരിക്കും. ദെൻ രക്തത്തിൽ കോൺസ്റ്റിപ്പേഷൻ ഉണ്ട് വിത്ത് ഹെപ്പാറ്റിക് ആൻഡ് യൂട്രൈൻ ഇനേർഷ്യ. Then urine, hot, bloody, burning in forepart of urethra at the close of urination. Again, you have learned so many remedies having pain at conclusion of urination, like you have learned in Equisitum, Berberis, Sarsapalla, Thuya, etc. Here also there is burning in the forepart of urethra at the close of urination. And also remedy for hematuria, preceded by cramp pain in the bladder. Then coming to the female symptom, menses, too frequent, soon profuse. And the leukorrhea is like albumin, very corroding in nature. Male symptom is important, that is for enlargement of testicles. You have studied otitis in other remedies like pulsatilla, rhododendron, silesia, clematis, epis, etc. Here there is enlarged testicles with increased desire, and gonorrhea with hematuria. Then extremity is important for examination. That is, it is a remedy for caries, exotosis, tumors, etc. with inflammation of the bone, or for periostitis. And especially the long bones are affected, like tibia, femur, etc. So bones, especially long bones or cylindrical bones, are affected. They are inflamed, swollen, and also for remedy indicated for caries, exotosis, tumors, etc. Then the pain, about pain, all the pains are aggravated at night. That is a marked feature. And the character of the pain and the radiation of pain, that is pain from above downwards, right to left, and within outwards, you have to note. Then pain in periosteum of long bones, aggravation night, in bed, least touch, damp weather, all these are the modality aggravating factors. Then skin is also important, that can be asked for university exam, skin extremities. So in case of skin symptoms, it is a remedy for complaints after vaccination, especially the itching and eczema. So in case of skin symptoms, there is eczema and itching, eruptions after vaccination. Ulcers with thick yellowish white scab formation. Under this scab there is thick white pus collection, and after that time there may becomes offensive, ichorous, and breeds vermin also. Again, this vesicle appear around ulcers. Small vesicles appear around major ulcers. Like these symptoms seen in Hepazolf also. And these vesicles or the ulcers itch violently, burns like fire, shining appearance, fiery red areola begin all around. So the numerous vesicles are seen around the main ulcer with itching, burning, fiery red areola. Then the linen or the cloth sticks to the ulcers and they bleed when it is torn away. Then continuing, eczema with intolerable itching, aggravation at the bed at night from touch, coffee, cigarettes, exudation and exclamation of skin is there. Again indicated for pruritus of aged. Pruritus means itching of the aged ones, itching after getting warm in bed, and there is also sleeplessness with the itching. That much itching is there, even due to sleeplessness. Then it is a remedy for herpes zoster with intercostal neuralgia, that is worse at night and from warmth of bed. You also learned another remedy, that is ranunculus bulbosus for herpes zoster. Herpes zoster means shingles. So ranunculus bulbosus, Merserium is also very important remedy for herpes zoster and neuralgic pains. Here it is the intercostal neuralgia is aggravated by night and from warmth of bed. While in case of ranunculus bulbosus, the shingles are followed or preceded by intercostal neuralgia is marked. Here again neuralgic pains after zona, that is after shingles or herpes zoster, there is neuralgic pains persist. Then coming to the modalities, aggravating factors are cold air, cold washing, night, touch, motion, mercury, alcohol, etc. and better by open air. And in the keynote is said that epidemics that occurring in January and February often call for Merserium. So that are all about Merserium. Then comparison. First about bad effects of vaccination. Other remedies you have learned are antidote, silesia, thuja. And the antidote is indicated when thuja fails and silesia is not indicated. And silesia and thuja is indicated for skin conditions, especially abscesses and convulsions after vaccination. Then for pain with the chilliness, you had learned here Merserium having pain with the chilliness, Pulsatilla having pain with the chilliness, but pain with the shuddering is seen in sepia, pain with the numbness is seen in case of aconite, platina, rustox, etc. And about tooth affection, that is tooth decay. Here in case of Merserium there is roots decay. Roots decay is also seen in ammonium carb and thuja, while the crown decay is noted in case of Mercurius and the edges of teeth decay in case of Staphylococcus. Then regarding testicular affection, so many remedies are there. Pulsatilla is there. Again Pulsatilla, there is a rapidly shifting nature of pain is noted. In case of rhododendron, crushed nature of pain is noted. Silesia right-sided remedy. Sensitiveness is noted. Hard swelling is noted. While in case of clematis is again another remedy having orchitis, remedy for orchitis, where right side affection is more noticed with bruised feeling, bruised sensation is noted there. And also clematis, along with the orchitis there is skin affections which aggravates with the moon phase, that is new moon affection is marked in case of clematis. And also in epis, it is an important remedy for orchitis. Here also there is burning, shifting, pain is there, and right-sided nature of affection is marked in case of epis. Then shingles. Shingles, another remedy you have learned is ranunculus bulbosus. Here the shingles following are preceded by intercostal neuralgia is not in case of ranunculus bulbosus. And here there is head. In case of head affection, you have learned eczema with the crust formation, or scalp is converted to a scab under which the pus is collects, and there is The pus become offensive, Icarus and breeds vermin. Similar symptoms you have noticed in case of Vinca minor. There is hair matting, Plica polonica, and there is severe corrosive itching of scalp is noticed in case of Vinca minor. Then coming to the urinary affection, here there is pain at the conclusion of urination, hematuria are noted. And the remedies having pain, similar complaints you are learned in case of Berberis accusitum, Sarsaparilla, Thuja, etc. So these are all about Mesothelium. So Mesothelium, you give importance to skin symptoms. Skin symptoms, eczema, especially eczema, bad effects of vaccination, the nature of appearance of skin, scab formation, pus collection, etc. Then skin pain, burning pain, radiation of the pain you have to note. Again, in case of extremity is again very, very important. Extremity, skin, both are equally important. That is, in extremity, periosteal affection, pain with pain, modality you have to note. Then neuralgic nature of pain, that is also very, very, very important. The nature of pain, eyes, face, facial neuralgia, eye neuralgia, then testicular, the neuralgic pains, all these, or herpes zoster, the various pains of Mesothelium, that is very important. Pain, skin, extremity. These are the important points to be noticed in case of Mesothelium. Also head symptoms. You can expect as head symptom or pain or skin or extremity. Study well, and if you have any doubts, please contact me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.